Hello everyone! Today we're making a super quick and delicious cheese pie. We don't need any dough. We'll use regular flatbread or tortillas instead. Let's prepare the filling first. Take 350 grams of cottage cheese, any fat percentage. Grate 200 grams of mozzarella on the large side of the grater. You can substitute it with another cheese. Take whatever you have, as long as it melts. Set aside 50 grams. We'll use it at the end. Crack in 2 eggs. The total amount of filling should be at least 600 to 700 grams. Add 200 grams of yogurt, or you can replace it with sour cream. Half a teaspoon of salt, or adjust to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth. We'll leave the cheese in large pieces. Now let's make the mixture for soaking the tortillas. In another bowl, whisk together 2 eggs and 100 grams of milk until completely combined. You'll need 4 tortillas. I cut mine to fit my baking dish. The dish is 24 centimeters in diameter. Generously grease the bottom with butter and place the first tortilla, brushing it well with the egg milk mixture. Spread the filling evenly across the entire surface. Continue layering the tortillas with the mixture and the cottage cheese filling. Assembly takes just a couple of minutes. No batter, just spread it, layer it, and in a moment, the pie is ready to pop in the oven. The cheese flatbread is not sweet, but it is pleasant to eat slightly salty. Cut the last, 4th tortilla into 8 pieces. This makes it easier to slice the finished pie without pressing it down too much. Brush it with the remaining mixture. Sprinkle any grated cheese on top. I used the mozzarella I set aside earlier. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, or until fully cooked. This is the kind of delicious breakfast you can easily make at home. You absolutely need to try it. It's incredibly simple and incredibly tasty. Let it cool for a couple of minutes, then slice it. I can't wait to show you what it looks like inside. The pie is very tender. The top is crispy. Look how juicy it is, and the cottage cheese pieces puff up like little balloons. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. They are also delicious. See you next time. Bye bye!